question. Now, what doesn't answer the question is option B and D. So option B, monosulfur trioxygen, that's way out of. Then the option, the last one, sulfide trioxide, so that also doesn't work. Remember, if you are naming compounds, so the first one, the first element that comes, the name doesn't change. So sulfur should remain sulfur. Then as for the spelling, you guys may not be familiar with this spelling, but it also works. SULFUR. Then if it's the other one too, FULPHUR, you guys are all good. All right, number three. Number three. Okay, Samuel Adekunle. Go on, Adekunle. Number 3C, iron 3, good. Iron 3 hydroxide. Again, the reverse thing, and when you do the reverse thing, you see that it's iron 3. Then OH also. So OH, it's a group of atoms existing as an ion, right? So it's hydroxide, not oxygen, hydrogen. No, please. Don't make that mistake, because students do that a lot, right? We are always marking scripts, so we see these mistakes a lot. So please do not make that mistake. So anytime you see, especially if it's oxygen coming before hydrogen, so it's hydroxide. That's oxygen, hydrogen existing as an ion. So the correct answer, just like Adekunle said, is what? Iron 3 hydroxide. All right, question 4. Question 4. Emma, okay, go on. B. Question 4B, that's dinitrogen monoxide, and that's also correct, right? Dinitrogen monoxide, so that's correct too. So you can see it's nitrogen and it's oxygen. So nitrogen.
Okay, you can see these are live classes. Can you see how interactive it is? Okay, you can see students chatting and answering. This is how live classes are. That's why I'm always doing videos to show you how live class. So apart from the live classes, on our WhatsApp group, there are also classes. So we are chasing this down on a double-edged sword. Okay? Double edge. Your live classes, after live classes, you enter the WhatsApp group. There's also brainstorming sessions with your teachers. Okay, so do make sure you join us for your prep for JAMB 2026 and WAEC 2026. All right, this is the best online classes in Nigeria. Do come join us today. All right, from us, from DTW Tutorials, don't forget that you are destined to win. And also, don't forget that Jesus is coming soon. All right, and please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He loves you. You are destined to win. See you in class. Okay, I forgot to mention the prizes. The price for our classes is 10,000 naira monthly, and we do classes from Monday to Fridays, and the classes are recorded in case you, maybe because of internet failure or power failure in your area. All right, we have the recorded video also kept for you and sent on the group in case you miss the class. Okay, and if you had missed maybe this month, because you know we are already like at the end of September, we are, when you join us, anytime you join us, we'll give you access to all the recorded videos from the beginning of the class. So come join us today to prep for JAMB 2026 and WAEC 2026, Monday to Friday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. All right, so you can see, after learning a particular topic, we take you through quizzes, weekly quiz, to make sure it reinforces your memory on what you have learned. And apart from that, on the WhatsApp group, you are also going to go through quizzes and brainstorming session from past questions. Okay, some people ask, how what happens after I pay? When you pay, you are added to a WhatsApp group, and in the WhatsApp group, that's where you receive link to classes, and that's where you do your brainstorming session. So come join us today. All right, thank you from DTW Tutorials. You are blessed and destined to win.
This is option
Okay.
B.
Yes.
Okay, so it says nitrogen, it says N2O, right? So N is nitrogen, then O is oxygen.